Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to use all your coins on AliExpress. So open AliExpress application on your phone, and before we start I would like to mention that not all items support discounts using your coins. So you need to make sure that you order that you want to order, and if you want to use your coins, it supports such type of discounts. So let me show you on visual example how it should look like. I go to one item, and if I scroll down a little bit, I will see here line extra 1% off with coins, and that's what you need if you want to use your coins, because some items on AliExpress, for example this one, do not support such type of discounts, because here in the description you do not see such line that mentions extra % off with coins. So for this item I will not be able to use any coins. So let's go back to item that does support it and go to checkout page. Now at the checkout page I want to scroll down to summary section, and here you can see line saved. Tap here, and as you can see I use my 1 coin for this discount, and also if I tap here I have an option to select do not use any coins this time, but of course I will use my coins because I want to get my discount. And you know what, actually AliExpress automatically deducts amount of coins that you can use for specific order, and sellers decide themselves which amount of discount they can offer you. So if I go to some other item on AliExpress, this at the top for example, I can see here in the description that it provides me extra 5% off with coins, which is very good. And if I go to checkout and go to summary section and see a saved line, I can see that I get 15 cents discount, and I have used 15 coins. So AliExpress automatically deducts amount of coins that I can use, and unfortunately I cannot use all my coins on AliExpress for one item. So I think that's pretty clear. I hope this video helps you. Please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.